Well, hello everybody. Welcome to the installation of the ANESPA DX by Enagic. Now, this is having your own hot springs in the comfort of your own home. Basically, it cleans all the bad contaminants or bad impurities that has tap water, from the chlorine to the fluoride to the lye. I mean, there's over 300 chemicals in tap water, and this removes it, and then it has another filter inside that actually gives the minerals that the body and that the hair needs. And this is actually a Japanese machine, and it's pretty awesome. It's like really having your own spot in the comfort of your own home once again. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it. It's very simple. I mean, there's nothing to it. It's real quick. Let me pull out some of the accessories that came with the machine. Pull it out and just show you how simple this is. I kind of almost opened it already, so it can be a little bit faster. Let me remove some of this, and there it is. This is really tiny. This is the ANESPA DX, really tiny. I'm gonna place that here for a minute, and here's some of the host. This is the water supply host. Basically where I'm gonna install, actually no, sorry, this is the let's see here, the shower head hose. So I'm gonna be using, but the first one I'm gonna install is basically the water supply hose, which is this one. Now, before I do that, I'm gonna come over here, and as you can see, this is what people usually have in their existing shower. So we're gonna remove the shower. Now in this case, depending on the type of shower that you have, you can use it or not. And in this case, I'm going to remove that here. So all you do is basically you unscrew it. It's usually doesn't require any tools, but if it's tight, then it comes, with a tool here that you can actually use to remove this. So I'm gonna place that here for a minute. Now, the machine comes with this accessories, and the accessories that they're here, the instructions, of course, very easy. So as you can see here, this is an adapter that came with the machine, but in this case, it's basically the same thing. Here it is. It's basically the same thing. So I don't need to take this off. I'm going to use the same one, and I'm just going to keep this spare one. But let's say that if you didn't have this model here, then it's very easy to take off. You just unscrew it. Now, if it's tight, once again, we have a little tool that came with the machine, and you would do this and actually unloosen it. Real simple. All right, in this case, I'm gonna just turn it back, screw it back on, and there it is. Basically, it's just hand tight. Now, the first one that I'm gonna use is actually gonna be the water supply hose, which is this one. Okay, now notice that there are two black seals here, and these seals are basically used so that you have no leakage in the water. Okay, so sometimes, depending on how deep this is or how deep this is, you're gonna use one or two seals. In this case, I'm just gonna use one. So this is the water supply seal. Okay. And let me just strain it. It's real simple. I mean, this is all hand tied. Like I said, I tie it, and I'm gonna need the tool here. Just kind of tie it a little bit more, just a little bit. Like it doesn't require like to be all so tight. Now this right here, I'm gonna put the other black rubber seal that the ANESPA needs, right? Which is here. This is very important, because if not, you might have a leakage. So now, this is your output, the water supply hose, and it goes in to the ANESPA, and we're gonna screw that in here. Very simple. And once again, it's just kind of hand tight. I'm gonna use the little tool just to kind of tighten up a little bit more. All right. There you go. This is the flexible hose, so And then this moves right here. It's flexible, okay? And it's tight, okay? Now, I'm going to use now this is the shower hose here. What I'm gonna do also, this also requires a seal. So here we got some right here. In this case, I'm gonna put 2 of them on this one here. And I'm gonna screw the shower head. In this case, very simple. Once again, everything's pretty much hands tight. And if it starts to leak, then of course you want to tighten a little bit more, right? So now this goes over here. Okay? And now here, I'm going to require another seal. Okay, I'm just gonna use, let's see if I can use 2 of them, right? And then what happens here. Now, this is the actually output. So it's going out from the main source into the ANESPA and then out. In this case, I'm gonna install it here. Now, as I'm actually screwing it, I'm gonna tighten a little bit more here. If you can see, right? There you go. This is a plastic, so there you go. Real simple. Now, I have another hose here. This is kind of really cool because this hose, this is a flexible hose. I have an option here. Now, if you have a bathtub, then this is gonna be very important because you can take a bubble bath, fill up your hot tub, and have a really beautiful relaxation. It's like having a hot spring in your home. So this is gonna be very helpful. But if you don't have it, you don't need to install it. So in this case, if you, let's say you didn't have the tub, then you see the little knob right here, the blue knob, I will turn it to the right. So that means that this right here is gonna go out into the shower head. Now, so in this case, there's a tub here, I'm going to actually install it. And you're gonna see how all that works. So once again, real simple. There's really nothing to it. This machine doesn't need power at all. It just doesn't, right? So now I can place the ANESPA here. It also comes with the ring and the sucking here that I should have put it right before that. I made a mistake. In this case, I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna see where I'm gonna actually install. I'm gonna place the ANESPA so I can put it in here basically, or I can put it also down here. Okay, and I could have the hose in here, right? So now we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. We're gonna turn on the water. There's a few options here. You can see on the shower head, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, I'm gonna just leave it like right there in that shower. It's a wider range. Now here's what's really important. It seems like it's not leaking, the machine is not leaking, so I'm gonna place it right here. Now the flexible hose, in this case, I'm gonna switch here. If you can see the blue knob, if I want the flexible hose to work and fill up the bathtub, then I'll just switch it. Now, I'm going to fill the bathtub and the water's coming from here. Basically, this replaces this. And you just fill it up. You want to take a bubble bath, then there you have it. Now, I cannot tell you, we no longer need those, the products, all the creams, because this right here is iron water, so it's giving the body and the hair what it needs. So you're basically gonna have baby skin, and it's gonna really be very, your skin is gonna be very, very smooth. If you don't have this, and if you're having a challenge with like itchy skin, rough skin, for men, a lot of them, they lose their hair right here on top. And it is because of the chemicals that's in tap water. That longer will not happen. Basically, you're gonna revitalize the skin, your hair, and also you're gonna use just a little bit of shampoo, which is a big deal. So, any other questions or anybody that's interested on this product, then go ahead and give me a call or message me. Thank you for watching.